Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix device cannot start or code 10 error with your driver. Maybe your Wi-Fi driver or network driver or display or any driver may show you device cannot start or code 10 error. Let's see, for example, when you open your device manager here, when you open your device manager, you will find on, for example, here on the computer or disk or display adapter or network adapter, you will find such kind of code. So on this video, we are going to see plenty of solutions from basic to advanced. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the basic solution for this video will be restarting your computer. If you are seeing this code 10 error on your computer, just restart your computer and check whether the problem is solved or not. If restarting is not solving your problem, then the second another basic solution that is solved for many of users who face this problem would be power flush. Power flush is related with holding the power button of your desktop or laptop until it will be shut down. So after your computer or laptop shut down, then remove all the power cables. If it is a desktop, remove the power cable from the case unit, all the cables, and as well as if you have a laptop, remove the battery. If the battery can be removable, remove it. Then after you remove all the power cables, then hold the power button for 30 seconds. Hold the power button for 30 seconds. Then after that, restart your computer. And this thing also help you to solve this device cannot start problem. So after the restart, it will help you to solve your problem. If these two solutions is not helping you, then the third solution for this video will be disabling the driver and enabling back. Just go to the driver that's not working or the code error is happening, so right click on it and select disable device. Then it will give you this option, disabling the device will stop and functioning. Just select here yes, and it's disabled. As you can see here, it's disabled. So right click on it again and enable device and enable it back. On this case, you may solve your problem related with the device cannot start problem. If the problem is still proceeding, then the fourth solution for this video will be uninstalling and restarting your computer. So go to that specific driver, then right click on it and select uninstall device. So after that, here the warning, you are about to install this device from your system. So select here uninstall, and after you uninstall it, it's just removed. Then after that, go here and restart your computer. So after the restart, just get into the device manager and it will automatically reinstall back to your computer after the restarting process. So if uninstalling and restarting cannot solve your problem, then solution number 5 would be updating the driver, which is automatically from the internet. So in order to update the driver, again, we are going to use for that specific driver. So right click on it and select here update driver. Then you will find two options. So select the first one, search automatically for driver. So select this, and here Windows was unable to install your PCI memory controller, so it does not find it. And you can also use, if it is saying like this, you can also use this one, search for updated driver on Windows update. So click on it and it will directly goes to Windows update section and it will start checking for updates. So you can click here, check for updates. So it will start checking for update for your computer related with the driver. So wait patiently until the updating progress will be completed, and after that, restart your computer and check whether the problem is solved or not. If again the problem is still continuing, then the fifth solution for this video will be roll back to the old driver on your computer. So in order to roll back, again go to that specific driver which have the device cannot start problem. So right click on it and select properties. Then after that, go to here driver. Then under driver, you will find here rollback driver. In my case, it's grayed out. In your case, you will find it like in a clickable button. So click on rollback driver and select OK. So it will leads you to the previous version that your computer were working period. So try the rollback section. If all this solution is not helping you, then solution number 7 will be running Windows Troubleshooter. So running the Windows Troubleshooter would be for that specific driver. So in order to do that, go here and click here the search icon and type here troubleshoot. Here the troubleshoot settings, then open the troubleshoot setting, and under troubleshoot you will find additional troubleshooters. So select here additional troubleshooter, and you will find for different drivers. If you have internet connection or Wi-Fi driver problem, you can select this one and run a troubleshooter. Or related with audio, you can select this one. Bluetooth, camera, you will find different drivers troubleshooting mechanism. For example, let's take if it is internet connection, click this run the troubleshooter this. So it will start running the troubleshoot for the internet driver if you have the driver cannot start problem for this one. So here please select the issue Windows should troubleshoot. So if it is with connection or help me to specific web page, so select that, follow the steps, and it will help you in detecting the problem and as well as solving your problem related with the device cannot start. So in my case, your troubleshoot cannot identify the problem, but in your case, it may find the specific problem related with your driver. So after you perform the Windows troubleshooter, if this solution is not helping you, then solution number 8 would be hardware troubleshoot. So in order to perform the hardware troubleshoot, go here and click the search icon and type here on the search box run. So here the run app, so open the run, and after the run app opened, then type here. So after you tap this, then select here OK. So here troubleshoot and help prevent a computer problem, which is hardware and device option came on your screen. So select next and it will start detecting the problem. So it makes a general hardware device troubleshooting mechanism. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed and it will give you a solution for the problem related with the device driver cannot start. So here it also give me free select the device to troubleshoot if it is related to the SM bus, PCI memory controller, and if you don't see, you can select I don't see. Let me select this one. So it start detecting the problem, scanning for hardware changes. So as I have said, wait patiently and follow the steps and it will help you to solve your problem. So here it says restart your PC to finish installing driver and updates, and so select here apply this fix. So you should have to restart your computer, it says. So restart your computer based on the steps that it will show you. So if hardware troubleshooting cannot solve your problem related with the device cannot start problem, then solution number 8 would be installing the latest driver from the official website. So you may have a Dell computer or Asus or Lenovo or HP. Just search the driver from their official website. For example, just type Dell and search for their official website and go to their website and you will find like this driver and download. So find for that specific driver from the lists that will be available in that specific website here, driver and download. So select driver and download and type the model name, which is identify your product. It says insert all the necessary information and search for that specific driver. This will be solution number 8. Solution number 9. So the final solution for this video will be, if all this solution cannot help you, then solution number 10 will be system restore, which is getting back to the previous period that the specific driver was working. So in order to do that, again, click here the search icon and here type run, and here run, then open it, then type here exe and click here OK. Then here you will find system restore system file and setting, then click here next. Then you will find different restore points, which is the previous restore points. In my case here, on date 10/24/2022, the computer make an automatic restore point. So select this automatic restore point and click next. Then it will completely go back to that specific period. So your computer will work based on that specific period of time. And one thing that I recommend you, before you go back to that specific period of time, just take the restore point that you are currently in, because if the restore point that you are going to take, the previous one, is not working, you can get back to the restore point that you are right now. So these are the solutions on how you can solve device cannot start code error problem with different drivers. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Check out.